You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two payment platforms, which is Airwallex and Stripe. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Airwallex is perfect for global businesses that need smooth cross-border payment. It offers multi-currency accounts, lower FX fee, and virtual card, making it ideal for startup and e-commerce branding expanding internationally. However, its integrations are still growing and it's less established in some regions compared to Stripe. Stripe, on the other hand, is the full-rounded, great APIs, endless integration, and powerful tools for online payment and subscription. It's perfect for developers and global SaaS brand, but can get expensive with foreign transaction. Overall, Airwallex wins for international payment, while Stripe remains the best for flexible, developer-friendly payment setup. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.